Conference, NIT Trichy.
Dr. Thomas happens to be the only lady director of amongst all the 31 NITs in the country of excellence in manufacturing.
In Tiruchirappalli, we wanted Chennai, Tamil Nadu and the national coverage for our events happening in Trichy. So, welcome to the press meet once again. So, the outline is a quick glimpse of NIT. We have developed our strategic plan for 5 years. So, I'll be giving a glimpse of it and the Siemens Center of Excellence in Manufacturing. And we are also launching a hardware hackathon. Conference with around 20 experts from all over India. We did deliberations on what are the qualities of world-class institutions. How can we, NIT Trichy, become a world-class institution? So, and then we did series of workshops, inbound, outbound. We did SWOT analysis. We are working for sustainability of the campus and our programs, because now funding and greening, everything, emphasizing on sustainability, and of course everything will run with infrastructure development. So these 5 areas we will be focusing in our strategic plan, and what we are aiming to be is a multidisciplinary university, research driven teaching, a regional to a global campus. We will be attracting more students and faculty from abroad, and we are going in for international accreditation. Our programs are now accredited by NBA, but we are going in for international accreditation, and we will be focusing on innovation and entrepreneurship a little more, and contribution to the sustainable development goals like clean water, clean energy, environment, etc., etc. And what we are aiming at the end of 5 years is, in the QS Time Higher Education, last week they announced the 2019 rankings. We have found a place in the ranking. We are in the 800 to 1000 rank. We want to improve it to the top 500. We want to jump into the top 500 in the world. And in NIRF, right now we are 31. We want to jump into the top 20 in overall category. So this the first code in manufacturing in association with Siemens. We will be inaugurating on 5th, and the Siemens Center of Excellence in Manufacturing will be an interdisciplinary knowledge center equipped with state-of-the-art tools and technologies, will serve as a technical knowledge resource for industry, a hub for technical skill development programs in coordination with universities and industry. It will catalyze industry-academia partnership, where 90% of the investment is by Siemens, 10% from us, and
at NIT Trichy for the awesome support and setting up this lab. And I myself am from Amartech. Amartech is an acronym for Advanced Manufacturing, Automation and Robotics Technologies. We are based in Bangalore, and we are a solution partner for Siemens Industry Software. And we focus on academia and small and medium enterprise businesses of Siemens Solutions. And for NIT Siemens COE, we will be responsible for running the center for skill development, for courses, and to encourage the industry to utilize the center. So the nearby SME industries to come and utilize the center for research and consultancy. And we would also be regularly organizing industry workshops and academia workshop at the COE, and we would also enable NIT to interact with
the Siemens Center of Excellence. It is first among all NIT, and even though we have invested only 10%, we have a lot of pressure in getting back the money in terms of break even, and we are working hard to towards internal revenue generation. And apart from that, we have a lot of multifaceted objectives like running the center for different for the benefit of different outcomes like research and development, doing a lot of consultancy. And even though we have a 100% placement, when you look at the surrounding educational institutions, they still have a lot of problem employing their graduates. So we have an extensive skill development program that will be run in different laboratories, and the Siemens have identified some skill development courses. Those courses are carefully designed by their team after a thorough market analysis, and if a student goes through that course and if he gets a certification by Siemens and jointly certified by NIT, the employment opportunity will be very high. And so far we have identified some 30 plus courses that will be run at different laboratories that varies between 10 hours to 150 hours. And these are some of the major things what we are planning. And we have a dynamic faculty team involving in operating the center, and director madam identified for every laboratory we have a lab coordinator, and some faculty members also associated with that. We'll be working with the Siemens and Amartech team to bring the center to the limelight, and as madam have shown a lot of outcomes, and we wanted to align ourselves in the overall vision and mission of the institute, and that would be a definite help for boosting our ranking in NIRF and other places. Thank you.